We're going to connect the Osmo Action 3. I'm on 4K resolution. Take note of that. Now, we have a continued issue about grayed out playback. I don't have any photos or videos on the camera right now, so I should have nothing grayed out. I'm going to go back. I'm going to take a picture of the wall, or I'm going to take a picture of just the side over here. And you're going to see my hand, and that should be good enough. We're going to play back. We have a grayed out picture. That is fine. Now the thing is, DJ wants you to go to the airplane mode and turn on. We're going to back out. We're going to take one more video. Going to take it off the wall and stop it. And you're going to hit the playback button. We have a grayed out picture. Now, if you do your recording once more, this is another thing. Notice the count. You see it's at 5 seconds, 7 seconds, 4, 5. We stop it. It stops at 7 seconds. If we go to the video playback, it stops at 5 seconds. So there is missing 2 seconds or something that's not right. So we're going to go to the app, long press, remove the app, delete the app, confirm the deletion, and go into the application. We're on airplane mode, and we have to, wait for the camera to disconnect and go to the DJI Mimo app, DJI Mimo. And we're going to reload it from the cloud and keep it on airplane mode right now. As it's loading up, we're going to reopen, do everything over. We're going to not allow the notifications and allow the rest. You're going to click on the 3 areas they're asking you to and connect. You're going to hit the 2812 accept. You're going to join. You can see the airplane mode still on. Got a couple of more prompts to go through. You're going to say, okay, I'm not going to accept any pictures, and I'm going to go to my playback, and this is DJI's resolution. So now, if you keep it on airplane mode, and you take your videos, and you open up playback, you got your 3 videos shown, and your 4th video played. Now I can continue to do this over and over and over, and you'll see all the videos will be there. You still notice the gray playback in the background. So now let's take this one step further. Let's take it off of airplane mode. Let's back out and take a video. And the next video or 2, if we allow some time for it to juvenate, we have a grayed out screen. One after and after and after. What I want to do, I wanted to take my camera and I wanted to do the selfie stick. If you take note, we are on 4K video resolution, 30 frames per second, rock steady. I haven't touched anything. So if I go here and I'm able, look at that. Now I got all my videos there. Something is just not right. So if I go here and I take any of these videos and I click on this one and I go over here, I don't care about the tips, and I go here to the trim and I want to do an invisible. Take note what's going to happen. It's going to ask you to agree. it's going to want to export your video at 1080p, not at 4K video resolution. I want my original resolution, unable to export video with stabilization, blah, 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 blah. So you have to try again. So I'm going to export it, and it has to go to the cloud. Now I may have to sign up for cloud services in order to do this. This will fail. Now, this camera is 4K. I want 4K to be transferred, and I want to work with 4K. So I understand how things work, but this is a 1080p low resolution and what we have to work with. The main issue is we want this issue here resolved. It works and it don't work. If I take my next video and I stop it and I go to play, and now I got two videos. Something's just not right.